Appetit. We are open every day of the year, including Thanksgiving, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, New Year's Eve, and New Year's Day. For all of those holidays, the chef has prepared a variety of excellent dinners, ranging from full buffets up here in the ballroom to 4-course dinners downstairs in the dining room. It's a great opportunity for you to share time with your friends and family. Come in for a beautiful dinner here at Bon Appetit on the water, celebrate and relax, and most importantly, let us do all of the cooking for you over the holiday season. Sun